Stock number 5965 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is this meticulously restored and very rare 1968 Ford Mustang High Country Special. This beautiful pony car is a 2004 AACA National Senior winner and a 2010 AACA Grand National Senior winner. This barn find was completely stripped, blasted, painted, and reassembled to make it the amazing concours cruiser you're looking at today. It has a 302 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and a C4 3-speed automatic transmission. This Mustang is so beautiful, we suggest placing mirrors on the ground so you can see the underside. It's that nice. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Easily search our inventory at classicautomall.com. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide.